AI just keeps getting bigger, better, and crazier. It can turn your words into videos, reply to your emails in seconds, and even edit your pictures as if it's magic.
Have you ever wondered how you can turn your still images into dynamic, eye-catching videos using the power of AI? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving into the top 4 free AI tools that can do just that. Picture this. You've got a collection of cherished family photos and you want to bring them to life as a memorable video montage. Or maybe you're a content creator looking to transform static visuals into engaging video content. The possibilities are endless, and these AI tools we're about to explore can make it happen effortlessly. So, whether you're a creative professional or just someone looking to add that extra spark to your visual content, you won't want to miss this. LeahPix.ai. First up on our list is LeahPix.ai, a tool that takes visual storytelling to a whole new level. Imagine you're a travel enthusiast and you've captured a stunning sunset over a picturesque beach. The colors are vivid, but you want to convey the full grandeur of the moment, as if your audience were right there with you. Picture this scenario. You've got a beautiful landscape photo, but it's missing that movement and life you see in videos. LeahPix.ai steps in with its advanced AI algorithms, turning your static images into mesmerizing videos with parallax effects. It's as simple as uploading your image, selecting the depth map, and voila! LeahPix.ai works its magic, creating a 3D-like video that makes your image come alive. Whether you're showcasing travel destinations, product shots, or even just your favorite moments, LeahPix.ai has you covered. Imagine taking a breathtaking photo of a serene mountain range during your last hiking trip. With LeahPix.ai, you can make those mountains seem even more majestic by adding subtle animations, giving viewers a sense of being right there with you. Whether you're a vlogger wanting to make your travel photos pop, a business looking to create compelling advertisements, or simply someone who enjoys experimenting with visuals, LeahPix.ai opens up a world of creative possibilities at your fingertips. And the best part? It's user-friendly and free. So why not give it a try and turn your still images into dynamic masterpieces with LeahPix.ai? Your audience is in for a visual treat. Now that we've uncovered the magic of LeahPix.ai, let's move on to our next AI tool and explore how it can transform your images into videos while ensuring privacy protection. DID. AI. Have you ever wanted to protect your privacy in an age where facial recognition is everywhere? Or perhaps you're a content creator looking to anonymize faces in your videos? DID. AI can be your superhero. Imagine this scenario. You have a video featuring people, but you want to hide their identities. DID. AI allows you to do just that by blurring or anonymizing faces automatically. It's not only a privacy protector, but also a creative tool for artists aiming to create a unique visual style. In a world where privacy concerns are growing, it provides a simple and effective solution. You can confidently share your videos without compromising the privacy of individuals featured in them. It's perfect for anyone, from journalists safeguarding their sources to everyday users looking to share moments while respecting privacy. Moreover, if you're a content creator, it can add a layer of mystery and intrigue to your videos. Imagine producing a series where the identities of your characters are meant to be concealed, adding an extra layer of suspense to your storytelling. It offers a free, accessible, and user-friendly way to protect privacy and get creative with your videos. It's a must-try tool for anyone concerned about privacy or wanting to explore new dimensions in video content creation. It's superpowers for privacy protection and creative anonymity. Let's now dive into our next AI tool and discover how it can breathe life into your historical photos and connect you with your roots. MyHeritage.ai. Have you ever wished you could see your ancestors come to life through old family photos? Well, MyHeritage.ai can make that dream a reality. You have a vintage family portrait, and you wonder how your great-grandparents moved and smiled. MyHeritage.ai uses deep learning to animate faces in old photos, giving you a glimpse into the past. It's a fantastic tool for connecting with your heritage and preserving family memories. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a genealogy buff, or simply someone who wants to create a memorable tribute to your ancestors, myheritage.ai has the power to bring those cherished memories to life. This tool isn't just about reviving family history. It can also be a creative asset. Imagine using animated historical photos in a documentary or educational video, adding a dynamic element to your storytelling. myheritage.ai isn't just a tool. It's a time machine that can transport you back to moments long gone. And the best part? It's available for free, allowing you to unlock the stories hidden within your family's photo albums. As we've explored the magic of myheritage.ai and breathing life into old photos, it's time to discover our final AI tool, which can help you make your subjects stand out and enhance your visual content. Stay with us to see how this tool can transform your images into attention-grabbing videos. Cutout.prop. Here's a scenario. You've captured a stunning subject against a mundane background and you want to make them stand out. Cutout.pro is here to help you do just that. With Cutout.pro, you can easily remove the background from images, turning them into transparent PNGs. This can be incredibly useful for product photography, creating graphics, or even adding your subjects to different backgrounds, making your visual content pop. Imagine you're a small business owner selling handmade jewelry online. You want your product images to shine on your e-commerce website, but you don't have the budget for a professional studio setup. Cutout.pro comes to your rescue, effortlessly isolating your products from their backgrounds and allowing you to showcase them against any backdrop you choose. Or perhaps you're a graphic designer working on a project that requires clean cutout elements. Cutout.pro can save you hours of manual editing by automating the process, letting you focus on your creative vision. What makes Cutout.pro even more appealing is its ease of use. It's a free, user-friendly tool that empowers you to create visually stunning content without the need for advanced editing skill. Whether you're a professional photographer, a graphic designer, or just someone looking to elevate your social media game, Cutout.pro is a game changer in the world of image editing and manipulation. There you have it, folks. We've explored 4 incredible AI tools that can convert your static images into captivating videos, each offering unique features to cater to your specific needs. From leapix.ai's parallax effects to DID, AI privacy protection, myheritage.ai's nostalgia trip, and Cutout.pro's background removal wizardry. These tools have the potential to revolutionize how you approach visual content creation. So, which one resonated with you the most? Are you excited to try out any of these tools? Let us know in the comments below. The world of AI is continuously evolving, and it's empowering creators and users like never before. If you found this video helpful and informative, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.